In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your Instagram account from Manychat. This process is straightforward and should take about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Manychat account. If you're not familiar, Manychat is a popular tool that allows you to create and manage chatbots for platforms like Messenger, Instagram, and more. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to make the necessary adjustments to disconnect your Instagram account. Now that you're on the Manychat dashboard, look towards the side menu and you'll see a settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can view and configure all your channel settings, manage integrations, and handle account preferences. In the settings menu, you'll find a list of channels you can manage. Here you need to select Instagram. By selecting Instagram, you're essentially focusing on managing the connection between your Instagram account and Manychat. Scroll all the way down the Instagram settings page until you find the option that says remove Instagram account from Manychat. This area is critical as here you're given the controls to sever the link between your Instagram account and Manychat. Proceed by clicking on remove. It's important to proceed with caution at this step as you'll be directly affecting how your accounts are linked. Before you confirm this disconnection, you need to fully understand what this entails. Removing Instagram from Manychat means that any chatbot services you've been using for Instagram via Manychat will cease to exist. At this point, Manychat will ask you to acknowledge this action. Usually this is done by putting a checkmark next to some radio buttons. These checkmarks signify that you comprehend the implications of your actions and are agreeing to proceed with the disconnection. Afterward, you'll be asked to type out the word remove. This is a further confirmation step that Manychat requires to ensure that you truly intend to disconnect your account. It's a simple yet effective safeguard against accidental removal. Finally, you'll see a confirm button. Go ahead and hit it. This will formally complete the process and your Instagram account will be disconnected from Manychat. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now successfully disconnected from Manychat. Make sure to review other integrations and adjust your settings as needed. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more of our content. See you in our next tutorial.